Alright guys, so we're not gonna make our coins here on PumpFun. This is like a shitty website now, like it's oversaturated. Um, there's a bunch of coins popping out here, and PumpFun guys, anybody can make a coin, right? It doesn't take, a freaking nut job to make a freaking coin on PumpFun. So that's why you know, the reliability and the accuracy of people buying a coin on Pumpa nowadays is super low. Like, look at these low as market caps, like 4.3K, 4.4, 4.2, right? Because everybody that goes onto this page know that these are freaking low ballers, scammers. These coins are authentic. They're not. These coins aren't going anywhere. So Pump Fund is not the place to be building your coins anymore, right? And coins built here on Pump Fund are only going to stay on Pump Fund. So people have to go on Pump Fund, right, to look at your coin. The website that we're going to be using today is memefast.fun. This one right here. How do you find the next meme coin, right? What's trending, what can be created as a meme coin, what is a meme, where do you go? I encourage you guys to download Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it. X is a meme epiphany where memes are created. Memes are born here, they go viral here. X is just where anything meme related, funny shit, goes viral. People get into it. People use it as news, right? For meme coins to get in there. So, you want to take your trending topics from Twitter or X, and you want to create them into meme coins and then put them back into Twitter or X, and monetize your coin here on X. So, I just went up to my For You, whatever, homepage, and I scrolled down to looking at what's trending. Mary Kate is the #1 trending right now, and I just click on it. Mary Kate, whoever is that, um, looks like it might be um a cheerleader. I don't know. So you would just take her face, right? Her face. Um, I'm gonna make sure that's the correct one. Yeah, I think that's the. Let's see this one. Yeah, I don't think it's her. Yeah, I don't think it's that one. So I think this one, right, might be it. So you're just gonna take her face, right, put it on a meme coin, upload it to Twitter, and just wreck the fuck out of everyone. So we're gonna take her face, right, put it in a meme coin, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Alright guys, so you go to memefast.fun, right? Make sure you connect your Solana wallet. Um, right, that's the first step. Make sure you have a little bit of Sol in there because it does, require a little bit of Sol to create the coin so you can launch it. So, went ahead again, put the token name to Mary Kate. Token symbol is whatever. You have 8 characters, yada yada yada. Clicked on here. I'm gonna add a picture. Um, Open, right there's your face. Right click next, click this, leave this apply to 1 billion by default. Description, just put official Mary Kate, you know and that's it. And then you want to make sure, right, you select, right, it's very important you guys do this, select all these, right? So this is what differentiates your coin from a basic coin that doesn't look like it's authentic, like it's real, has potential, right?
Now
All
this is
these
automatically transferring this
give
token.
the
You want to make
audience
sure that
that
you
want
put
to buy
max here a
into
million,
coins
right? And you want to make sure
the
that
you
here
know
you
the
automatically put
ability
on.
of
You honestly, you
thinking
can
that
be
they're
anywhere, right?
gonna invest
But
in
I
a good
recommend
coin. It has no rug pulling behind it, right? So basically, it's just a facade. So you're basically gonna create a coin here.
All right, guys. So once you actually create that token, you just have to make sure that you click proceed and you confirm it and you purchase a coin. Now, what you can do here is you want to make sure that you copy this token address, right? When you copy this, save it wherever you can, right? Because once you copy this, you can actually start trading the coin, okay? Now, what you want to do now is you want to make sure you have full control over the coin, because if you don't have full control over the coin, you cannot rug it, okay? So you want to make sure that you could create liquidity pool. Now, this is automatically transfer the token here. You want to make sure that you put max here a million, right? And you want to make sure that here you automatically put on you honestly You can make it be anywhere, right? But I recommend putting anywhere from zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.2 SOL just to add the initial liquidity, okay? So now you want to do is create a pool, okay? Once you create the pool here, there we go. You can actually create this pool. This pool has been successfully created. Now all we have to do is you can refresh this page. You can view this transaction here. There we go. Refresh this right here as liquidity. There we go. Now that we can actually refresh the page, we can actually view this on Photon. As you can see here, boom, right? People are already starting to buy the coin right here, okay? The market cap is currently very low, right? Because guess what? We just released it. But as you can see here, it's already starting to moon. It's already starting to skyrocket. Now all I need to do, keep in mind that I only put 5 SOL in there. I still have there. All I have to do is click this button right here, this red one, whenever this starts climbing. Whenever people start to buy into the coin, all I have to do is click right here, this red button. I can remove 100% of the liquidity and I get all my tokens back and then some, okay? I'm doing it here. That way you guys can see, right? 0.4 SOL, for I'm getting it all back right now. And then boom, guys, that's how you end up with a Phantom wallet like this right here. This can literally be yours. You just gotta go out there and go get it right now. See you guys in the next video.